The first page of our website is a login page. To start off with, let's sign up as a user. In this, you can enter your email, your password, your first name, and your last name, and it will store your data into the database. And then it will redirect you back to the login page where you can enter the information that you've added and log in. Once you log in as a user, the first page is the user dashboard, in which you can select what page you want to go to. The first page is the profile page where you can edit your information as shown here, or edit your password if need be. The next page is the visit history page. In this page, it will show you, based on your live location, as well as your history, where you have been and all the places you have visited with the time that you have visited them at. The next one is the venue check-in page. Once again, just like the visit history, you can use your live location here to check in to whatever venue you want to, or you can enter a code and check in via the code. As you can see, after you've checked in once here, it will show up here, your code and the time you have visited. The next page is map and hotspots. As of now, there are 3 hotspots shown in the map, and you can see the numerical data of the hotspots down here in the table given below. These are the functions of the user account. The next page on our website is the venue manager page. For the sake of this video, there has already been an account set up for the venue manager. You can sign in as a venue manager using the same method as you did for the user's account. Once you log in, you get to the venue owner dashboard. This is similar to the user's dashboard, but it has low functions. The purpose of the venue manager account is just to add venues and manage them. The first option is to manage venues. In this, a person can add venues, such as a hospital, Once they click Add Venue, the data will be stored into the database. Also, it will display up here. A person can add more than one venue per manager. Once they have multiple venues, they can also check who has visited their venues in the venue check-in history. For the sake of this video, a dummy data was added for display purposes. You can go to the drop-down menu up here and see which venue you want to select and who has visited those venues. Once you're done, you click the sign out button, which will take you back to the login page, and you can sign out through here by a normal account. Here you can also log in using the Google account as a Google Gmail account, and once you click on that, it will sign you in. And once again, if you want to sign out, there's a Google account sign out button right here. The last page of the website is the Health Official page. Once again, an account has already been set up. After you log in, it once again takes you to a dashboard. Just like the user, this has 4 options. The Health Official can first manage hotspots and add hotspots. For example, right now there are no hotspots added. The admin or the health official can click Add Hotspots, select the radius in meters, drag the counter and click on the counter in the place where they want to add it. As seen here, the data has already been added to the database and can be viewed from all the other pages that require hotspots. The admin can add multiple hotspots. For example, as shown here. One of the many other things that they can do is the delete hotspot function. They can go edit hotspots again, press delete, and click the hotspot and delete it. The next page on the admin account or the health official account is venue check-in history. This is similar to the manager's venue check-in history, where they can select a venue and see who has visited there. They have the access to this because they're the health officials. The next account is the signing up the other health official account. Here, they can sign up fellow health officials because this is the only way that they can have a Health Official account. They can add their names, their emails, and designate them with a password. Once they sign them up, this account has already been made. Once they sign them up, the account is added to the database. After that's done, they can sign out, and it will once again redirect them back to the login page.